I came to IPA Physiotherapy because I had a Achilles tendon injury, which I'd been suffering from for about a year. I'd been seeing another physical therapy operation, and I was seeing improvements, and then it would get worse than it ever was. I'd gotten used to just being in pain and being sort of like, yeah, okay, here I am, over 40 now. I guess these things hurt now. Everything started to improve rapidly once I started coming here. The therapist wanted to dive into every injury that I've ever had and get a full history of all my injuries from childhood up until now. And I personally have had several sports injuries, other pretty traumatic physical injuries. I've been hit by a car twice. And what I learned on day one was that the therapist here was going to help me deal with all of these things, not just the Achilles injury. I mean, I felt so much stronger, so much more at home in my body, honestly. Like things were working the way they're supposed to work, and I'd gotten used to a level that was really unacceptable. My Achilles tendon injury, which is the whole reason I came here, I was given exercises to do, and there were manipulations and things that were done to address that, but I feel like that improved incidentally. I remember coming home after my second or third appointment and just sort of leaping out of the car like I felt like I was in high school again. I mean, I feel stronger, lighter, better balanced, more agile than I have for 10 years. I couldn't overemphasize enough how much this has been absolutely the best medical treatment experience I've ever had in my life.